Donald Trump just got hit with another devastating legal blow. The federal appeals court has ruled against him in Jean Carroll's case, affirming not only the original jury verdict but also the massive $83 million judgment, which, with interest, has now ballooned to nearly $90 million. That means Trump, who already owed Carroll $5 million from the first trial, is now on the hook for almost $100 million. The court was crystal clear: Trump's repeated defamation of Carroll was not protected by presidential immunity. They specifically ruled that defaming and attacking a victim from the Oval Office is not an official duty of the presidency. In fact, the judges underscored just how egregious Trump's conduct was, noting that his attacks didn't stop after the first trial, they actually escalated, even during the second trial itself. The ruling also emphasized that the $83 million judgment was fair and reasonable, given Trump's relentless behavior. And to make matters worse for him, if he refuses to pay, Carroll's legal team has the tools to enforce it, through wage garnishments, seizing property, or freezing assets. Now, Trump is almost certain to try appealing this to the Supreme Court, where his 6 conservative allies might be tempted to once again bend the rules in his favor. But legal experts say there's no real constitutional issue for the High Court to take up. Still, we've seen before how far Trump's justices are willing to go to protect him. At the end of the day, this is a clean sweep for Jean Carroll. She's proven more resilient and determined than most members of Congress. And as for Trump, history tells us he won't learn his lesson. He'll likely lash out again, and if he does, it could cost him millions more.